the evaluation role to be more of an inside and outside role, away from that kind of neutral, objective, at arm's length, data-heavy frame, and toward one in which the idea of learning and engagement with the sponsor or the initiative designers early enough to have some effect on the quality of the strategy is a huge thing that we should be celebrating. Mm-hmm. It is a major movement, I think, forward for us, and an opportunity. I think we just aren't good at taking that opportunity yet, but I think it's something that has really shifted now. Mm-hmm. And I think we as evaluators struggle with role definition, mm-hmm. given training, professional positions, and so on, with balancing all the things we learn, the kind of technical language that we hold on to, data gathering, as opposed to simpler observation, sense-making, interpreting, the softer language mm-hmm. that helps us really contribute to learning in a context. We still look at our language. It's still very caught up in things that don't actually apply to the kind of complexity that mm-hmm. we mm-hmm. are having an opportunity to be in the middle of.
Mm-hmm. David, did you have a comment?
Yes, you know that I do. And so finally, no, actually, no, I don't. I would raise one quick point, and that is that I think that, to go back to Doug's question of the challenge, I think we have to apply that systems approach, environmental approach, to ourselves, which means there's at least very simply two parts to that. One is we have to be prepared and ready for that, because it's a very sacred, I can't think of a good word, but a very highly responsible. You're dealing with data and people's lives. That's what we're really dealing with. So we have to make sure we know our stuff, or whatever way you want to say that. We really have to do. And that means also changes our skills, which means we do training of our staff in facilitation. That's a required thing, and group process and consultation skills. Not how to be the talking head, but how to really facilitate learning. So we have to build our skills. But the flip side is more important, which is the culture of philanthropy and government and decision-making has to change in order for us to have this role. It's slowly changing, but not enough. We went from the day that the evaluators to be seen and not heard. It's just the data. But the thing is now the culture that